Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Today I am going to show you how to prepare tea time vanilla cake in a steel glass without using any oven or without using any cake bowl. So this is very simple and also easy. For those who are having cravings for cake, you can prepare it simply if you just have these steel glasses at your home. It's so spongy, it's so yummy and tasty. If you follow the video till the end and follow the tips and tricks I have told you and the perfect measurements that I have given in the video, you can also enjoy this tea time vanilla cake. Simply, it's yummy and tasty. So without any delay, let us get into the process. First of all, here I have taken a bowl and added 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and half a cup of curd and half a cup of oil in it, and then start whisking it nicely without any lumps in the bowl. So first you need to stir it perfectly, and then with the help of a whisker or a spatula you can whisk it nicely till you get a velvety texture as shown in the video. Now once you're done with the wet ingredients, add 1 full cup of all-purpose flour or maida and stir it nicely without any lumps of flour in the bowl. So once you're done stirring it nicely, add little by little lukewarm milk into it. Here the milk, the entire portion I have used is quarter cup of milk here. So add as required, and again after stirring it nicely I have added 1 tablespoon of baking powder, pinch of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of vinegar into it, and then again stir it nicely. So your consistency should be in a pouring consistency. So add milk accordingly. Here I have, for me it was 1/4 cup. So it depends on your consistency. So now for the cake bowls, here I have taken steel glasses. There should be no design on it or curves on it. Plain steel glasses you have to take it. So do not worry if you don't have a cake bowl at your home. You can prepare with these steel glasses also. Now grease with oil or ghee or butter of your choice and put it aside. Now into the batter I have added all the dry fruits and choco chips of my choice, so you can add according to your choice. I have added tutti frutti, choco chips, pista, badam, cashews and all these things. So once you're done with adding all the dry fruits into your batter, again once before adding the batter, just grease with the brush or with your hand in the glass and then pour the batter into it. Remember, the batter you have to pour just above the half level of the glass. That's it. Do not add 3/4 or fully, because it will just bake it nicely and you'll get till the top of the glass. So later you need to gently dab at the bottom so that there will be no air bubbles in it, and then add again your choice of dry fruits, and then that's it. So before that I have placed a bowl on top of stove, and then I have added a stand on it, and then I have preheated for 10 minutes on medium to low flame. Now I have placed a plate on top of it, and now I'm placing all the glasses on top of the plate and close the lid and allow it to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes on low to medium flame. So this is exactly after 35 minutes I have got this texture. Just prick it inside and check whether your cake is completely baked or not, and then close the lid and allow it to cool nicely. Some likes to have it in a lukewarm, otherwise cool it completely and then gently remove from the glasses like this. See how spongy it is. This is so yummy and tasty. Just it's so tempting, right? This is a perfect snack for tea time. Those who love tea, you can enjoy this snack like this glass vanilla cake during your tea time. This is so spongy and also so nutty and tasty even. So demold the remaining cakes also and then enjoy with your family. This is crunchy on top and then it's so spongy and velvety on the inside, and its taste is just awesome. So some kids love to have it on the outer part, that is the top one. So my elder one loved the top one, that is filled with all nuts and it's very crunchy, and my younger one loved the middle part, that is very smooth and soft. So completely my family has loved this cake and they asked for more. Trust me, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned in the comment section. So as you have watched the video till now, I hope you like this. So please give it a like and also share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.